You don't need a gym, weights, or a single piece of equipment to build muscle. In fact, some of the fastest muscle growth you can trigger at home comes from doing almost nothing, just holding still. They're called isometric holds, and there are 5 of them that hit your entire body. Do them right, and they build muscle faster than half the exercises people waste hours on in the gym. One of the 5 is an exercise you've almost certainly done, and almost certainly done wrong. I'll show you which near the end. First, why does holding still build muscle at all? Because your muscles don't grow from lifting, they grow from tension. Mechanical tension held long enough is the single biggest driver of muscle growth, and a hard isometric hold near failure creates a massive amount of it without any weight at all. Research on isometric training shows it builds real strength and size, especially when you hold a muscle in its lengthened, stretched position. So the weight was never the magic, the tension was. And you can create that tension anywhere, starting with your legs. Number 1, the wall sit. Back flat against a wall, slide down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, knees at 90 degrees. Now hold. Your quads are under constant tension the entire time. No bar, no leg press, just gravity and your own body. Push it close to failure. When your legs are shaking and screaming, that's the growth signal. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds. Too easy? Push your feet further out or hold a bag against your lap. Number 2, the low push-up hold. Drop into a push-up and stop halfway down. Chest hovering just above the floor, elbows bent, body in a straight line. Hold it there. This is the hardest, most stretched point of a push-up, so it loads your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. 15 to 30 seconds of this hits your upper body harder than a set of easy push-ups ever will. Number 3, the pike hold. Hands and feet on the floor, hips pushed high into an upside-down V, and lean your weight forward over your hands until you feel your shoulders take the load. Hold there. That forward lean is everything. It shifts the tension straight onto your shoulders and builds that rounded, capped look. No dumbbells required. Number 4 is the one you've done before and almost certainly butchered, the plank. Here's the mistake. People let their hips sag or drift up, turn it into a rest, and hold it for 3 minutes feeling nothing. That's not how you build a core. Forearms down, body dead straight, and actively squeeze. Brace your abs like you're about to take a punch. Clench your glutes, drive your forearms into the floor. Done right, 30 to 45 seconds is brutal. A plank isn't about time, it's about tension. If you can hold it for 3 minutes, you're doing it too easy. Number 5, the glute bridge hold. Lie on your back, feet flat, drive your hips up until your body's a straight line from knees to shoulders. Then squeeze your glutes hard and hold at the top. This locks your glutes and hamstrings under full tension and fixes the flat, weak backside that sitting all day gives you. Now the honest part, because I won't lie to you. Holds alone aren't magic. You have to push each one close to failure, and you have to progress. Hold longer, or make the angle harder every week. That's how you keep growing. And muscle is built in the kitchen too, so hit your protein. Do these 5 holds a few times a week, take each one near failure, and you'll build real muscle at home with 0 equipment.